This one.
Look, I found the chocolate factory. Hey,
Konnichiwa!
I'm Taran.
And I'm Makoto.
Together we've been travelling the world for the last few years.
We've lived in Japan, Southeast Asia, New Zealand, Australia, America, and most recently, Fiji.
But now we found ourselves in the UK with a 30-year-old motorhome.
So join us as we document the ups and downs of full-time van life.
Here on No Matter How Far. Woo! Say goodbye to the sun.
Still there.
And let's go.
Burn my eyes. Very tired.
So we just wanted to come to this little pub, and as usual, Google Maps decided to take us down the most ridiculous road ever. And it's done it a couple of times now, but today was the worst. It was, at some points it was literally the width of the motorhome, I'd say. We had probably like a couple of centimetres on each side to spare, and it was like brick wall on one side and just hedgerow on the other. It was ridiculous. And it was like 10 minutes going down a road like that, and it was horrendous. And three cars going
the other way. So like they had to reverse for us to let us pass. But yeah, one of the guys was really annoyed that in a big motorhome is trying to go through the really narrow road. He must have thought that we're stupid.
Makoto wound down the window and said, "Thank you," as we went past, but apparently he was
like doing this like "F you."
Some people are so miserable.
I said thank
But
you.
yeah, I know. I mean, it's not the end of the world. You just had to reverse like 5 meters or something. Anyway, we wanted to go and get something nice to eat at the pub, bar, whatever it is here, but I guess we arrived a bit too late. It was already 9 when we got here, and we walked in and it was just an empty hotel and a closed bar. So pasta it is. See you in the morning.
Oh my god.
We just got recommended this place by a person at our camping grounds. They said they travelled from where? From Aberdeen all the way to Wales just for this fish and chips. So we're expecting big things.
Well, he said that you can actually taste the fresh cod. And just like the best.
He just said the best.
Yeah,
So we're going to go sit by the seafront and eat some chippies. A very English thing to do.
This is a place I found on the Google map, and I was like, yes, we're going this. We're going.
I'm going to go. Look at that water. It's so clear. Beautiful. Beautiful. Pretty. Is it the best fish and chips? Fish.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Live up to the hype?
I think so.
The chips are pretty good.
I guess looking at this view, that
Yeah.
tastes so much better.
fish and chips on the beach in the sun. And it's actually warm.
You don't need a winter
Bliss.
jacket.
Well done.
I feel like I chose the hardest
Yeah.
one. I always choose the
Fire
hardest
the cannon, Makoto.
one.
Well, God damn it.
This is Tenby. It's in Pembrokeshire, in Wales.
We have come to Tenby. Makoto found some pictures of this place on Google and really wanted to see it. The painted houses. And it's very nice.
Colourful.
It's a very seaside vibe. That's because it's a seaside town. But it has that kind of chilled out fish and chips. Chilled fish and chills.
The water
vibe.
is so clear as well. It's like emerald colour.
Makoto wants to live here.
Yeah. If I can choose where to stay in UK, I wanna live here.
He said it's got a Doc Martin vibe. Which, if you've seen the show, you'll know what that means.
That's not in Tenby.
Yeah. How's it taste?
Soft.
Yeah.
Soft
Good.
water. Tastes good. More drinking more. It's like mild flavour. Oh man.
Cheers. Hello. We're still in Pembrokeshire at the moment. Chilling by, well, you can't see the beach, but it's a pretty nice day. A little bit cold still.
Yeah.
Makoto was wearing very summery clothes. You can't really see it at the moment.
No.
Get that tummy out.
No.
But then it got too cold. You glad you wore these now?
Yeah. It's crazy. It's kind of like the wind is pretty cold. We still like carrying a winter jacket
I'll
everywhere.
put my coat on in a minute. We're going to stay in this campsite we're at for another 2 nights we've paid for, because it's actually really nice here. And why the hell not?
We are thinking to do a like boat trip.
Oh yeah, what's it called?
Tenby?
Cowdley
Island.
Cowdley Island,
Cowdley.
where we hitchhiked last night because we missed the last bus coming back from town, and a guy picked us up who he turned out to be a photographer, a video guy doing adventure filmmaking at uni, which sounds right up my street. Much better than the options I had. And so we actually hooked up with him again later that night at 1 AM and went down to some random beach to do some astrophotography until 4 in the morning. So that was pretty cool. The joys of hitchhiking, you never know what's going to happen.
The best things happen when you hitchhike.
Yeah.
Yes.
So yeah, he told us on this island it's a load of monks living there, and they make a load of chocolate and perfume. So apparently the chocolate's really good. So we're gonna go explore tomorrow and check it out for ourselves. Peace.
Peace out.
Good morning again.
Good morning.
We're going across to Cadbury Island. Or Cowdrey Island, just Cadbury Island, because there's chocolate made over there. And we're going this boat here, I think. Welcome to Cadbury Island. Huh? Jellyfish? Oh, maybe.
Jellyfish.
The monks of Cowdrey welcome you to the island, Makoto. They welcome you.
The monks. Chocolate monks.
The chocolate monks. Found the chocolate factory. I'm going to buy all the chocolate. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells so good. All good.
No, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Right, thank you.
Look at that gold chocolate.
Ticket.
I've got your golden ticket. I've got your golden ticket. Which one would you like? That's you can't sing that song.
Willy Wonka. There's a chocolate vanilla swirl. Willy Wonka.
It's also good. I still can't say it. Cowdrey Island. Cost £15 for a return ticket. So So it cost us £30. 30 bucks. 30 big ones to get a boat over here. Takes about how long?
10 minutes?
Yeah, about 10-15 minutes on the boat.
It's a
really slow boat.
Yeah, it's really, really slow. So it felt like more than 10 minutes to get here. We haven't seen the red squirrels here.
But definitely recommend if you're coming to Pembrokeshire. It's a really nice peaceful island. Fatty fatty boom boom. I ate all of mine as well. Makoto hates mint chocolate.
No, it's bad.
She wouldn't answer the question if it was a gun to her head or eat some mint chocolate. She wouldn't give a straight answer.
It's very hard. Very difficult question.
Well, either eat the mint chocolate or get shot. I don't know. It's so quiet. Hold on. So peaceful. Yeah. Pretty, isn't it? Pretty, ne?